you guys ready for some Belgian waffles? I know I am.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be making waffles. So we're getting ready to start mixing our Belgian waffle mix. It's going to be really good. First thing you want to do is 2 eggs for this batch. You want to separate them. Egg yolk, egg white, and you can do this by hand. It takes a little longer. And we're going to beat those egg whites until they're stiff or at least really fluffy. So let's get the flour in here. We're going to use 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. And we're going to sift this because we want our waffles to be nice and fat and fluffy. And they're going to be so tasty. And you're going to wait till you see what we put on them. So that's 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Sift that right down in there. And where's my tablespoon? 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And then, let me see, mix that baking powder in there good. Then we're going to use like a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cinnamon, which is all in here, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now these are going to be apple waffles, so we're going to add apples in here. 2 cups of milk. Mix that in really well. Put our eggs in there. That's 2 egg yolks. In here. Let's put our vanilla in now. Just 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Apple that I cut up really small. Actually, I'm going to put my eggs in first. That's egg whites. Just 2 egg whites.
Looks like cake frosting.
It does, doesn't it? Just plop them right in there. These are going to be so delicious, so yummy. Kids love these. And we're just going to fold these in here. And then I'm going to throw these apples in here that I've cut up really small, really just little tiny pieces of apple. I don't want to get them too big because then they may not cook. I'm going to give it a coating so nothing sticks. Here. Get some of those apples in there. Big fat waffle. All right, we're going to close it up and get this going. And she's ready. So excited to try this waffle. Put that on there. We're going to put some butter in the middle of it. Actually spread it around. Ooh, it's nice and crispy. It's perfect. Put some syrup on it. I have something special here to go on it. Strawberries. Can't get any better than that. This is going to be so tasty. I'm going to put some syrup juice on that. And to top it, actually not yet, I think I want to do this. Look how good that looks. Well, it did look good. I sprayed whipped cream all over. Can you just taste that? That looks amazing. And I'm sure it's going to be so tasty with the apples and the cinnamon in there. Perfect fall dessert. You could have this, like I said, Sunday brunch after church. Be perfect. Can't wait for you guys to try it.